Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. Today I'm making a really fun statement lemon earring and necklace set. I absolutely love creating bold, playful jewellery like this because it's designed to be the focal point of an outfit. So I'm going to show you how I do this. It's very simple to make, not many materials are needed. If you are new to my channel, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery making supplies. I currently have a 10% offer off of a £10 spend, and I do have a clearance sale as well. So if that interests you, please do go and check it out. So what have I got today? These are the fab, fun lemon charms. Look at them, they've even got the skin like you would find on a lemon. They're so fun. I think I've made these on here before. It may have been orange ones that I made. So for making your jewellery stand out, it's great to have some bold statement pieces. Although I'm making this today, I have also sent out a beautiful lapis lazuli oval pendant and necklace, absolutely beautiful. So you can see I don't just do one type of jewellery. I'm going to be using some surgical steel earring wires. That's another thing about my website, you don't have to buy in large quantities. I think you can buy these in packs of 10. These are available individually. Stainless steel necklace chains. This one is 20 inches in length. We've got some 6mm, again, stainless steel jump rings, and these are 1mm, so they are nice and strong. If they're going to be too big, 'cause I'm not too sure at the moment, I do have some 0.8 as well. That's just some packing bags, and I've got some pliers. So let's just open this one. I do hope you're all having a lovely day. The sun is shining here in Bristol, UK. So there's our necklace chain with the lobster clasp. So I only need 3, but I've got 4 left. So I thought I'll just double check. Maybe there's one that's better than the other. And I think just looking at this one, there's a little mark on there, so that doesn't pass my test. So I think we'll use these. So what I'm going to do, if you notice the bell, it's facing this way. I'm going to put it this way, and that one. So I only need to use one jump ring. Otherwise I would need to use 2. So let's see what it looks like with these thick ones. I have got the window cleaner here. I think so you might hear him in a minute. He doesn't normally knock on the door though. What do you pay to have your windows cleaned? Here in Bristol, it's a 3-bedroom semi-detached, but it's got a large utility room all along the side, which is like an extra room. Yeah, we pay £22. It was 20, it's gone up to 22. How much do you pay where you live? Let me know in the comments below. So I'm just going to pop it on this way. Close those up, make sure there's no gap. Right, let's see what those look like. I think that looks fine, doesn't it? Let's put that on like that. Right, there's that one. Let's do the same for this one. Statement jewellery is especially popular for festivals because people tend to be a lot more adventurous with their outfits. Bright colours, oversized accessories and quirky designs that all fit that fun festival vibe. Put these that way, don't I? Let's close that one. Don't want a gap. Let's see how those hang. Yeah, that'll hang like that on each ear. That's fine. I think the 6mm looks fine with those. And let's do the necklace now. Do the same for that one. Let's see if this will fit through here. It does, but I still need to open it, don't I? One bold accessory can completely transform a simple dress or t-shirt and jeans. So there we have them. So obviously I chose lemons because they're bright, fresh and instantly make you think of summer. When making statement pieces, even though they're bold, I still want them to be comfortable enough to wear. So that's why I've gone for the stainless steel. And especially for the earrings, I've gone for the surgical steel option. I have very sensitive ears and I wear those. I love making novelty jewellery because it makes people smile. We all want everyone to smile, don't we? So let's get these ready. This order is going out to Linda. I'm not sure if Linda found me through my YouTube channel. Not quite sure. So we've got some, I'm going to use 2 of those today. We've got some thank you stickers, some clear bags for packaging. I paid 99p for these, and I'm going to put those onto the back of the cards because I noticed these cards do scratch easily. I've already made a box up. I'm going to put them in these orange organza bags. It's a shame I've used up the yellow ones. They would have been fab, wouldn't they? I've got some earring bags. If you make lots of earrings, I do sell these. They're really, you know, sometimes you get they're quite rubbish, aren't they? These are silicone. Use 2 of those. On. those. I'll pop them into this clear bag, which should be, and when you're not wearing them, just pop them back in. Reminds me of that song, Oranges and Lemons, the bells of St. Clement. And I hope this makes you smile. And those are off to their new owner. Let's hope they like them. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. And if you can leave a comment down below, it could be absolutely anything, even what country you're watching me from, emojis. It just helps the YouTube algorithm see the interaction, and then they're sharing my videos out to more people. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and as always, happy crafting. Don't forget to check out the website as well if you want to.